Hi guys, in this tutorial I will be explaining the forward reverse motor control circuit. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Firstly, here I have my supply, which is in the form of my circuit breaker. There I have my two stop buttons. The one is the normal one, and here I have my E-stop, which will break the circuit completely as well. Then I have my two start buttons. The one is for the forward and the other one is for the reverse. Right, here I also have my forward contactor. And here I have my reverse contactor. There we have my two indication lights. That is for the forward and that is for the reverse. And then I also have a red light, which will be my trip indication, which means if my MPU trips, then this red light will switch on, and that will happen when the motor exceeds a certain amperage. Right, so let's start the circuit and see what happens. My circuit breaker is already on, so I'm gonna start. There my contactor pulls in, that is for the forward, which means I can't start it in reverse now. Just imagine if this motor is running at a high speed and you want to reverse this motor, you will completely damage the motor. Alright, so I need to stop it again and then I can put it in reverse. Right, start it again. Now let's say for instance my motor exceeds a certain amperage, my MPU will trip. There my MPU trips, my red light switches on and my green light switches off. Now I can't start the motor. There you can see I can't start the motor now. I need to reset my MPU. Red light switches off and now I can start again. Stop. Start in reverse. Stop. I can also switch off my circuit by using my E-stop. There I'm stopping my circuit. If I want to start again, nothing will happen. Start. I need to reset my E-stop. It has a locking mechanism, so I need to reset that, and now I can start my motor again. Stop. Alright guys, and that is how a forward reverse motor control circuit works.